A hidden light begins to stir behind the mind and sight, not fully seen but softly felt, a growing inner light. Through steady fire and open hands, the veils begin to thin. What once was blurred by habit and fear starts opening within. The eyes of the soul begin to wake. Through patience, breath, and flame, each step reveals a deeper truth. Though nothing stays the same, the path unfolds one layer at a time. As shadows lose their hold, the heart aligns, the mind grows clear, and vision turns to gold. Old patterns rest within the bones, and echoes in the heart. Seeds once planted long ago still play their silent part. Through study, love, and steady will, they lose their power to bind. Each moment clears another thread that clouded soul and mind. The eyes of the soul begin to wake. Through patience, breath, and flame, each step reveals a deeper truth. Though nothing stays the same, the path unfolds one layer at a time. As shadows lose their hold, the heart aligns, the mind grows clear, and vision turns to gold. No rush to reach the highest peak, no need to grasp the whole. Each quiet effort lights the way and strengthens inner soul. What once obscured now gently fades with devotion, calm and true. The way ahead grows open wide as life flows clearly through steady fire and sacred sight. Through love that learns to trust, the inner vision clears its lens. From all that turns to dust, the soul looks out